So today I've got a company that I want to bring to your attention under the ticker symbol MTBC. They are currently going to be changing their name to CareCloud on March 29th, and I just want to give you an overview of why this healthcare sector company could be a great growth potential stock over the next year or two. So the first question to ask is, what does MTBC do? I'll refer to them as CareCloud though. So CareCloud has loads of products and services, but they're primarily known as an online health records company who are helping change the game in terms of how healthcare companies manage the consumer information online. So they have, when you click on the products and services tabs, you can see they have electronic health records, medical billing, practice management, patient engagement, mobile health apps, and telehealth. They're the main ones I can look at there, and they have some services as well, but most of the products is the ones that we want to look at the most here. So I think this is such a great company because they have such a range of products in terms of what you can see here. But if you even just look at the mobile health apps, they have so many mobile health apps, and when you compare this to like a company like Teladoc, who are doing so well in the online online health space, we can really see how this could be a great growth potential for this company. So you can just see here, telehealth. It says telehealth lets you expand your practice revenue by having doctor to patient live video calls for quick and easy patient cares. So you can imagine that this could come as in the UK. You could have GP services where you can ring your GPs and you don't have to go into that hospital. You can book an online appointment where you just have to have a conversation. Or I'm not too sure about how it happens in America, but I'm under the assumption that something similar would be in the same situation. They also have apps like anesthesia app for Apple devices that are designed to digitalize the paperwork for anesthesiologists. Don't even have a clue if I said that word right. But the thesis is taking everything online and stop that in-person contact, which could seem to be a massive thing going forward, especially after the pandemic. And we can see that people don't want to be going into these spaces where they could get even iller, or there's risks to their health, or you aren't in the position to leave your home. I feel like this could be a great thing for the future, and it's one of those things that I feel like you'll look back in the future and think, how did we live without this? With the way that Amazon is, with all that direct-to-consumer business, order things next day, instantaneous delivery. It's hard to believe that something like this isn't more dominant in the sector. And this company looks like they have a bit of everything, and they have lots of different things. And these apps just seem incredible to me. But if you look at the other services that they have in terms of electronic health records, you can see that they are trying to push this for. So it says here, health record software that is completed clinical automation solution to seamlessly connect patients, payers, labs, pharmacies, and other stakeholders of the patient journey. We can see that they state here as well, MTBC's Talk EHR is the world's first cloud-based EHR that understands you. So you can see how it is on the iPad here, and my understanding of this is this will be rolled out to consumers and doctors, and there'll be an interface that will allow you to seamlessly communicate to your healthcare professionals. So on MTBC's website, we can find this fact sheet for investors, and here it outlines why financially this company is so undervalued in my opinion. So we can see in 2020, the revenue they made was $105 million. I'll take you over to MarketWatch in a minute and prove this, but they have, outstandingly, they have $100 million market cap on $105 million in revenue. This is just outstanding. They've also making $10 million EBITDA, and they're expecting to grow this by up to 150% in 2021. So they're improving those margins. If we just scroll down the fact sheet as well, we can see that they only have 40 million. The market cap is 146, but still on that revenue is incredible. They have 40 million outstanding shares. The current price at this time was $10, but it's currently $8.50, so there's a bit of a discount from when I first found this company. And they hit highs of $12 as well. So, in my eyes, this company is in a great sector in the biotech industry. They're going to do extremely well, I think. They're growing. The revenues are incredible. They're trying to grow them profit margins. If we look here at the leadership team, they're run by such a great team. You could glance over that yourself. I just believe that this company in the biotech sector is something that is going to change the way that people live their lives in terms of medical ability and seeking out those healthcare professionals. I don't know, people like Kathy Wood have invested in Teladoc Health, which is online mental health, and I feel like if she was to be introduced to this would be a massive purchase for her, or massive research task for her, because I feel like this would offer everything that she'd be interested in to do. And I don't see why this company couldn't partnership with other companies like Talkspace and Teladoc in the future to advance their own abilities. So I would think that $8 for this stock is a great buying price, especially with that low market cap and low float of shares. I could easily see in this industry being $1 billion company with the growth. You can even see that the enterprise value there is 277 million. I just think this is criminally undervalued, and that the growth potential here is just off the charts. I currently don't have a position in this, but I very much plan on opening one. Anything below $10 to me is just golden, and I'm definitely going to be holding this stock for a long period of time unless any bad news comes out. As we all know, the stock market is changing all the time. On top of that, the market has been on a down curve but finished Friday really strong, so maybe we see a bit of a rise towards that $10 mark again. But there could be another bad day on Monday. It might have been a bit of a bull trap on Friday evening, but we'll see. But on that note, guys, I just want to end with a quick overview of this company. I think it's going to be great, brilliant sector, and looks like a really undervalued buying opportunity for me. So please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you're interested in these types of industries and this type of company, and give me your thoughts. We'll see you next time.